Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the online class of Salam Collegiate School and College. I hope that you are well. Now, I am going to discuss about field techniques used in agriculture. So, our today's topic is field field techniques used in agriculture. This is the chapter 2. Dear students, open at page 19. And the first lesson is necessity of irrigation and enhancing its effectivity. At first, necessity of irrigation. We know that without irrigation, growing of crops is not possible if there is shortage of water. But this irrigation water is wasted also. The source of water is either underground and above ground. Technology is needed to draw it. Wastage of irrigation water costs farmers, etc. Therefore, care must be taken so that irrigation water is not wasted. By checking the water loss in any form, effectiveness of irrigation can be maximized. Water loss may be caused by evaporation. Number 2, trickling down of irrigated water. Number 3, leaking. Now, I will describe the evaporation. Evaporation, irrigated water from the crop field get evaporated in the same way as the water of pond, lake, canal and other reservoir is being evaporated because of radiation and heat from the sun. It is very difficult to check and or stop this process. However, just adequate irrigation at proper time should be the strategy. Number 2, trickling down of irrigation water. Irrigation water passes through the air pocket of porous soil and trickling down through the soil layers. It is called trickling down of irrigation water. Number 3, leaking of water. This is almost similar to the trickling down process. However, the difference is that through trickling down, water goes downward deep into the soil of the same land, while through leakage, water passes to another plot or land where irrigation is not intended. Increasing the effectiveness of irrigation. Number 1, students look number 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to 11. Number 1, supply of required amount of water. Number 2, irrigation at a proper time. Number 3, strong alleys are to be raised around the crop field. Number 4, irrigation in the afternoon or in the evening. Number 5, if the plants are planted in lines, irrigation should be applied in furrows between the lines. Texture of the soil of the crop field should be taken into account as well while estimating the need for the water to be supplied. Dear students, you will read up to 11. And the last one is large irrigation project in Bangladesh. Number 1, Gangas Kopotakko irrigation project. It is called the GK project. Number 2, Borishal irrigation project. It is called BIP project. Number 3, Bhola irrigation project. Number 4, Thakurgaon deep tube project. Number 5, Chandpur irrigation project. Number 5, Chandpur irrigation project. Number 6, Muhuri irrigation project. This is called MIP irrigation project. Number 7, Papna Irrigation and Rural Development Project. It is called PRDP project. Number 8, Meghna project. Number 9, Kornofuli project, KIP project. Here the new words, field techniques, evaporation, trickle down, leakage. You have to learn it. Lesson 2, irrigation method. There are 5 types of irrigation project here. Open at page 21. Number 1, flood irrigation. Number 2, furrow irrigation. Number 3, border irrigation. Number 4, circular irrigation. And number 5, sprinkler irrigation. Flood irrigation. At first, look at the board. Flood irrigation. This is the number 1. Look at the picture. This is the flood irrigation. The type of irrigation is suitable for flood land with the water drawn from nearby ponds, canals, and other water reservoir and then flown through a channel to the crop field. To avoid leaking of water to the neighboring field, strong LIs are raised around the crop field. This method is suitable for the following reason. Number 1, a large area of crop field can be irrigated in a short time. Number 2, channels and furrows are not needed within a crop field. Number 3, flat irrigation is effective for plain land. Number 4, requires less labor and time. Number 5, in the field where crops are grown in broadcast method, this irrigation is effective. Number 6, in case of crop field having a slope, water must be retained by making a strong and sufficiently high LS. Number 2, furrow irrigation. Furrow irrigation. Look at the picture. Many crops are in the line. This is very suitable for crops being raised in lines. Furrows are dug in between the plant lines towards the slope of the plot. The water is allowed to flow along these furrows, usually one after the other. Depth and length of these furrows depend on the length and the topography of the plot. Number 3, border irrigation. Yes, students, look at the picture. This is the border irrigation. It can many advantages. Number 1, water management is easy. Number 2, less wastage of water occurs. And number 3, less soil erosion is caused. And the next one, circular irrigation. Look at the picture. Circular. Circular means this is a circular. Circular irrigation. In this method, water is not supplied to the whole field, only the soil around a tree is irrigated. This method is suitable for fruit orchards and social forest. In this method, wastage of water is minimum. Number 2, management of water is very easy. And the last one is sprinkler irrigation. Sprinkler irrigation, look at the picture. A man is watering in the field. Look, sprinkling water similar to rainfall on the plants is done in this method of irrigation. This method is suitable for watering seed beds, potted plants grasslands, ornamental plants and leafy vegetables. The method of watering the seed beds or plants by using watering cans in our country belongs to sprinkler irrigation. Dear students, open at page 23. Here the activities. Visit a crop of vegetable field and observe how the farmers are irrigating their field. Prepare report on the irrigation system and present it in the class. Yes, students, you can visit uh, near the Potia. Uh, Potia Mary Nursery here, so you can visit it. Yes, students, I will give you some homework. Yes, students, open at page 38. Page 38. And the creative question number 2, you can learn it. So dear students, no more today, try to do it at home. Allah Hafiz.